Hello, so today I am filming a Pretty Little Thing haul. I've never shopped from Pretty Little Thing before. I've recommended it to my mum, who I think bought like one top from there before, but I've never actually bought anything myself. This huge parcel came, I think, yesterday, and I've managed to, you know, stay off opening it so that I can, you know, get the full reaction on camera. Obviously I'm going to try everything on. Yeah, I'm currently filming this when it's really sunny, which is why I've got sunglasses in my hair, so I hope that doesn't look weird because I'm sat indoors, but I am facing my window. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight into it, I think, because I'm dying to see what's inside this big parcel, and like I said, never shopped from here before. So I'm actually intrigued to see. Right, so what the stuff's like. This is just fallen out the bag, so this will be the first thing that I start with. I think these are a pair of sort of lounge trousers slash jogger type things, if I remember correct. Okay, so this is the first item. It's not going to be the easiest to show when it's off, but yeah, they're like a stone beigey, I mean, I think they call them stone, but beige is quite a good way to describe them as well. Pair of like jogger trouser type things, with this like ribbed detailing on them. They feel quite nice and soft, and then they cuff in like that at the bottom. Okay, so I've just put the first joggers on. I hope it's not annoying that you can't really see my face while I'm trying to speak. I really like the colour of these, but I'm just not sure. They're a little bit big. Obviously I get they're joggers, but maybe I could just size down. Okay, so the next thing is actually the main reason that I did a shop on Pretty Little Thing. And it was for this red dress. I kept seeing it and I thought it looked really nice on the model, but it kept going in and out of stock in my size. So anyway, I eventually managed to grab it in my size. So it looks nice. It's actually a lot brighter red than what it looks like online. Not saying that it's not nice though, but it's just this, it's a dress, by the way. Can't remember if I said that. Oh my god, it looks so short. Oh, the dog's scratching at the door. Okay, so this is the dress. I'm not going to lie, this just took me a good few minutes to work out how the hell I put my arms in these sleeves. Anyway, they literally come out like that. So you basically put the dress on as, what's it called, like a strapless dress, and then you just put your arms in separately. I mean, loads of people probably know that, but it took me a good while to figure that out. I was confused at why I wasn't putting my arms in when I was putting the rest of the dress on. Anyway, I love this dress. It's actually not as short as I thought. It's still quite short, but nowhere near as what I thought, so it's quite nice. Obviously it's nice and little flowy at the bottom, and like I said before, I love the off the shoulder style. Okay, so the next thing that I've pulled out of the bag is something black. What's this? I think this might be a long sleeve crop top, although the material looks quite strange through the packet. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, this is not the material I thought this top was going to be at all. I thought it would just be like a soft material. This is quite, you can probably see, it's sheer. Sheer, is that the word? Oh, now he wants to go back out because he's got my slipper. That's what he came in here for. He's just run off with that now. But anyway, yeah, so this is, I can't remember if this was off the shoulder or not on the model. It looks as though it is. And then it's sort of long sleeved, and the front of the top is ruched. Is that the right way to describe it? I think so. So the next thing is this top. Please excuse that you can literally see my bra through this, even though it's nude. I don't think I like this. If it was a different material, I probably would. But I just don't like the material. Like, oh, I just don't know. I'm annoyed because I really wanted to like this. Because I really like this style. I just love off the shoulder stuff, to be honest. The next thing I pulled out is another pair of joggers. So like I said, I did order a couple of sort of things that were the same, to just see what ones I would prefer. Also, I think I prefer these ones already. So they're again a pretty similar colour to the other pair that I showed earlier. And they're described as like stone beige again. Oh, these look so nice. These are so soft. And then obviously these ones don't come in at the bottom, but they don't look too baggy. They should be alright. Okay, so I've just tried the next pair of joggers on. I don't know whether it's just the angle that my camera's at, but it literally looks like I'm wearing black pants, but they're nude. Maybe it's just the shadows, I'm not sure. I'll have to see when I'm editing it back. But I really like the colour of these, and they're quite soft. The only thing is that they're obviously, I knew they were supposed to be like a fitting trouser when I ordered them, but I just don't know whether they're flattering. Let's just bring them up a little bit. Yeah, I like the top half and everything, but I just don't know whether the legs are just that little bit too clingy. Is that the right word? Okay, so the next thing is again something that I sort of was looking at on the website for a while. So again, like the red dress, sort of made me do this order. Now this is a blazer. I own, I think, 2 blazers, but I've never worn them casually. I've just worn them like to work. And in fact, one of them is black, and you'd think being a black blazer it would be classy, but I literally never wear it. So this is a sort of ruched sleeve camel coloured blazer, but it's quite nice. As you can see, it's like, you know, like flexible, like flimsy, but in a good way. Like it's not stiff and there's no shoulder pads or anything. Again, the colour is quite a lot darker than what it looks like online, although it looks like quite light in the camera actually compared to what it is. I suppose it's not that dark, it is camel colour, but it's just darker than what I thought. And then the sleeves just come pre-ruched. I think you can pull them down. Ooh. You can't. Okay, so they constantly will have to be rolled up, but that's fair enough. That is how the model had it, so that's what I thought, but I did think that you might be able to pull them down. Okay, so I've just popped the blazer on. Just ignore that it's on with these joggers. I wouldn't wear these two together. And I don't know if I like it. I do really like the colour, and I do quite like that the sleeves are like this. Just pull them up a little bit more. I think they're more supposed to sit here. And I really like it with like a white top, but I just don't know. I don't know whether it's because I'm not used to wearing something like this. Like this is very much not my style. I just don't know. I'm just trying to look in my mirror that's here. I do like it, but whether I just don't know if I... Okay, so the next thing I pulled out is, I think, the jumper dress that I ordered. I think it was the only thing I ordered in that sort of pinky colour. When I ordered this, I really like t-shirt dresses, so I thought, oh, a jumper dress might be quite nice, and I also thought this would be so nice to wear like when you're flying somewhere on holiday, especially, well, if you're going somewhere hot, because it means your legs are out but you can stay a bit warm on the plane. Now first things first, it looks quite big. I get that a jumper dress is supposed to be big, but yeah, we'll have to try that on. Perhaps might need to size down if I like it, but I love the colour. Like, I really hope that I'm going to like this because the colour looks really nice. Okay, so I've now got the jumper dress on. What I will say is that it's too big. I love it, but I'm going to have to get a smaller size. I literally just got this in my normal size. I get that it's oversized, so maybe I should have gone down, but I just think it's that tiny bit too big for me. Yeah, I'll just show you the bottom. It comes to a really nice length, so obviously I understand that if I get a smaller size it's probably going to be a bit shorter, but it literally just touches my knees, as you can probably kind of see. Okay, so the last thing I think is actually a set, like a loungewear set, although it's come as one. It looks rather tiny. I don't think I've already know, because I tried out something different. Anyway, let's have a look. Okay, so first things first, it feels lovely, but in my opinion, the colour looks completely different to what I thought it was online. Maybe it's just my eyes, or maybe I can't remember what I actually ordered. But it's almost like pinky grey. I don't know whether the camera would pick up what it looks like in real life. I guess kind of. But it's almost like pink, speckledy colour. It looks really nice actually. Again, it's rather see-through, but that's okay. We can deal with that. And also the bottoms come in again at the end, which I quite like. Yeah. And then it just comes with a little top. It's off the shoulder, long sleeved, and it is cropped. God, this looks tiny. I like that it's long sleeved. Yeah, and I also really am warm into the colour, although it still doesn't look the same colour on camera as what it does in real life. It's really grey, pinky colour, kind of colour, which I don't know if it's showing up that way on this camera. If I just pull you down, you can see the bottoms. Again, I really like these. These are nice and fitted. I think I did say when I showed them they are see-through, which is obviously really annoying. But yeah, I think they're a really nice fit on the legs, and I like that they're okay, so that is the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. It was certainly fun shopping on Pretty Little Thing for the first time. I feel like it's just that place you go to for like your basic pieces. A bit like Primark. I go to Primark for like some basic stuff. And the stuff that I picked up is nice. I really like the look of it all. So that's good. And it's good as well because I thought it was quite affordable for you know, some of the stuff that I got. I thought it was quite a reasonable price really, and I know that they're always having like discounts and stuff on there. So yeah, that's good. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Oh my god, also I can't believe that I hit 100 subscribers. I know that sounds like literally nothing compared to some people that are on YouTube obviously, but I've wanted that many for so long. I just thought, wow, I'd be happy with 100, so I've got 100 now, which is so nice. I know a lot of my friends are subscribed, but yeah, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!